Hello friends, now today we will start the new chapter, division of polynomials. I will explain all the theoretical part, solved example and the practice set 10.1 in a very simple language. मी अतिशय सोप्या भाषेत तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करायचा प्रयत्न करणार आहे. निश्चितच ते तुम्हाला समजतील. चला तर सुरू करूया. डिव्हिजन ऑफ पॉलिनॉमियल्स. Now let us start the division of polynomials. Let's recall. Fill in the blanks in the following examples. First example, 2a plus 3a that is equals to 5a. Next is 7b minus 4b that is equals to 3b. 3p into p square that is a 3p square. 5m square into 3m square that is equals to 15m raised to 4. Next is the multiplication. 2x plus 5y into 3 upon x. Now see this here. One by one. 2x plus 5y into 3 by x. Now this 3 upon x will multiply to 2x plus 5y. First is 2x into 3 upon x plus 5y into 3 upon x. X get cancelled. 2 into 3 that is a 6. Next is 5y into 3 upon x that is a 15y upon x. Next example, 3x square plus 4y into 2x plus 3y. That is a multiplication of the two brackets. 3x हा संपूर्ण bracket ला या 2x plus 3y ला multiplied करणार. Then 4y will multiply to 2x plus 3y. And then you will get here 3x into 2x that is a 6x cube. 3x square into 3y that is a 9x square y. Next is a 4y into 2x that is a 8xy. And 4y into 3y that is a 12y square. Next, let's learn. Introduction to polynomials. If index of each term of an algebraic expression in one variable is a whole number. Whole number means what? The numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Then the expression is called a polynomial. For example, x square plus 2x plus 3, 3y cube plus 2y square plus y plus 5 are polynomials. Okay. In one variable. त्यामध्ये व्हेरिएबल किती तर एक्सच आहे, इथे वाय व्हेरिएबल आहे आणि प्रत्येकाचा इंडेक्स बघा. इट इज अ होल नंबर. याचा इंडेक्स किती 2 आहे, इथे 1 आहे, 3 चा 0 आहे, 3 आहे, 2 आहे, 1 आहे आणि इथे 0 आहे. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज पॉलिनॉमियल्स आर specific algebraic expressions and hence addition, subtraction and multiplication on polynomials are similar to those performed on algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression to numbers expression असेल 2 into 3 upon 5 ज्या प्रकारे आपण ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करतो तशीच ऑपरेशन्स या पॉलिनॉमियल्स मध्ये देखील असणार आहे. ऍडिशन, सबट्रॅक्शन, मल्टिप्लिकेशन अँड दी डिव्हिजन. नेक्स्ट इज द फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, 3x square minus 2x into 4x cube minus 3x square. The multiplication of these two. हा 3x square या संपूर्ण ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. दॅट इज अ 4x cube minus 3x square minus 2x या सगळ्या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. दॅट इज अ 4x cube minus 3x square. पहिल्यांदा नंबरचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन 3 into 4 12 आणि इंडेक्स, त्याच्या इंडेक्सचे ऍडिशन होणार मल्टिप्लिकेशन असताना बाय युजिंग दी रूल्स ऑफ इंडायसेस. 3 plus 2 5. नेक्स्ट 3 into 3 9 x square and x square. That is a 2 plus 2 means what? X raised to 4 minus 2x into 4x cube. The index of x is 1. And here is a 3. 1 plus 3 that is a 4. 2 into 4 8 minus 8 x raised to 4 plus minus 2x into minus 3x square minus and minus that will become plus 2 into 3, 6, x into x square, that is x raised to 3. Therefore, the 12x raised to 5, addition of the like terms, that is a minus 17, x raised to 4 plus 6x cube. Next example, 4x minus 5 minus in bracket 3x square minus 7x plus 8. 4x minus 5, open the bracket. ब्रॅकेट जर ओपन केला तर आतलं साइन चेंज होतील. 3x square ला प्लस 8 become minus, minus 7x ला minus 8, it become plus, आणि 8 ला plus 8, that become minus. Therefore, here you will get minus 3x square plus 4x plus 7x, that will be 11x. And next is a minus 8 minus 5, minus 13. And overall you will get minus 3x square plus 11x minus 13. Okay. Next is degree of a polynomial. We write the greatest index of the variable in the following polynomials. First example, the greatest index of variable in the polynomial 3x square plus 4x is 2. Just the square मोठा index is 2. Okay. Next is the greatest index of a variable in the polynomial 7x cube plus 5x plus 4x raised to 5 plus 2x square is 5. सगळ्यात जास्त index, highest index is 5. Therefore, the degree of polynomial is 5. Next is the greatest index of the variable in the given polynomial is called the degree of polynomial. Okay. Next is now let's remember this. Okay. The first is the algebraic expression in one variable is a polynomial if index of each term is a whole number. प्रत्येक टर्मचा इंडेक्स हा कसा असला पाहिजे तर होल नंबर असला पाहिजे. सेकंड, in a polynomial the greatest index of the variable is the degree of that polynomial. सगळ्यात जास्त मोठा इंडेक्स, biggest index, that is the degree of that polynomial. Now next is, let's learn. First example, divide 15p cube by 3p. Now the solution, see this here. तर 15p क्यूब ला आपल्याला 3p ने डिवाइड करायचं. त्यासाठी आपल्याला 3p ला 5p स्क्वेअर ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार, and then you will get 15p स्क्वेअर. डिव्हिजन करताना आपण साइन चेंज करत असतो. या 15p क्यूब चं प्लस आहे, इट विल बिकम मायनस, मायनस केलं, and the subtraction is a 0. Next, second example, divide and write the correct terms in the boxes. Textbook madle example hai, but add sort the whole examples, you can write the correct term in that boxes. Minus 36 x raised to 4 is divided by minus 9x. Solution, this here, minus 36 x raised to 4 is divided by minus 9x. Here is a minus 9x into 4x cube, then you will get minus 36 x raised to 4. Again we change the sign and we get the 0. Remainder is 0. Quotient is 4x cube. Next, divide and write the correct term in the boxes. This is second example. 5m square is divided by minus m. इथे आपल्याला 5m square पाहिजे. Therefore minus m is multiplied by minus 5m. Then you will get plus 5m square. Again we subtract it, we get the 0 as a remainder. Now next, divide and write the correct terms in the boxes. Minus 20 y raised to 4 is divided by 2y cube. Solution, see this here. Minus 20 y raised to 4 is divided by 2y cube. आता आपल्याला इथे minus 20 y raised to 5 पाहिजे. त्यासाठी या 2y raised to 3 ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? minus 10 y square. Then you get minus 20 y raised to 5. Again change the sign, minus 2 plus, then you will get the remainder as a 0. To divide a polynomial by the monomial, study the following examples and learn the method of division of polynomial by the monomials. See this here, the first example. 6x cube plus 8x square is divided by 2x. See this here. First is a 6x cube plus 8x square is divided by 2x. या स्टेप मध्ये बघा आपल्याला इथे किती 6x cube पाहिजे, म्हणून या 2x ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? तर 3x square. We require the 6x cube and that's why we will multiply by 3x square to this 2x. We get the 6x cube. 6x cube, change the sign, plus to minus. Okay. Then what is the remainder here? That is 8x square. Now to get the 8x square, we have to multiply this 2x by 4x. That is a 2x into 4x is 8x square, and that's why we write here 4x. Again the 8x square, change the sign, we will get the remainder as a 0, and the quotient is a x, 3x square plus 4x. This is the remainder. Okay. Next example. 15y raised to 4 plus 10y cube minus 3y square is divided by 5y square. See this here. Okay, 15y raised to 4 plus 10y cube minus 3y square is divided by 5y square. Now first of all, to get the 15y raised to 4, 15y raised to 4 will multiply to this 5y square by 3y square. Then you will get 15y raised to 4. We write here 3y square. First of all, change the sign. Next term is 10y cube minus 3y square. These two terms as it is. हे दोन्ही टर्म जसेच्या तसे घ्यायचे. आता आपल्याला किती पाहिजे? 10y cube पाहिजे. Therefore we will multiply to this 5y square ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर आपल्याला 10y cube मिळेल. That is multiplied with minus 3 by 5. And then you will get here, see this here, 10y cube मिळवण्यासाठी आपल्याला 2y ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. That is a 5y square into 2y. That is equals to 10y cube. Here is a 10y cube. Change the sign, plus to minus. You will get 0. Next is a minus 3y square as it is. And again the 2 get the minus 3y square. Minus 3y square मिळवण्यासाठी आपल्याला 5y square ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? Minus 3 by 5. Then you will get minus 3y square. Okay. Next is a minus 3y square. Minus 3 by 5. I have written here. Minus 3 by 5 into 5y square. Then you will get minus 3y square. Change the sign. Minus 2 plus, and then you will get the remainder as a 0. And the quotient is a 3y square plus 2y minus 3 by 5. And the remainder is 0. Next example, 12p cube minus 6p square plus 4p is divided by 3p square. See this here. Now the first term here is a 12p cube. पहिला term किती आहे? 12p cube है. इथे 3p square है. Therefore we will multiply it. That is a 3p square by 4p. Then you will get 12p cube. Change the sign. Then you will get here minus 6p square plus 4p, keep it as it is, and again to get minus 6p square, then we will multiply to 3p square by minus 2, then you will get minus 6p square. Okay, minus 6p square, change the sign, minus 2 plus, and then here you will get the 4p. Now we cannot divide it, therefore the remainder is 4p and the quotient is 4p minus 2. Next example, 5x raised to 4 minus 3x cube plus 4x square plus 2x minus 6 is divided by x square. Now see this here, 5x square, 5x raised to 4, first term, and to get the 5x raised to 4, म्हणजे 5x square आपल्याला मिळवण्यासाठी x square ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार, 5x square, then you will get 5x raised to 4. Next is make the subtraction, minus 3x raised to 3 plus 4x square plus 2x minus 6, these terms are as it is. Then to get the minus 3x square, we will multiply by minus 3, and then you will get minus 3x square. Therefore here we write minus 3x. Minus 3x ने x square ला multiply केल्यानंतर minus 3x cube. Again change the sign, minus 2 plus, then here you will get the 0. 4x square plus 2x minus 6 as it is. Next is to get here the 4x square. 4x square मिळवण्यासाठी आपल्याला या x square ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार, 4 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. Then you will get 4x square. Change the sign, plus 2 minus, and this 4x square plus 4x square minus 4x square get cancelled. Then you will get 2x minus 6. Now the index of the remainder here is 1, and we are dividing by x square. Therefore the remainder is 2x minus 6, and the quotient is x square minus 3x plus 4. Now see this here, the conclusion. While dividing a polynomial, the operation of division ends when, केव्हा end होत असतो त्याचा, when either the remainder is 0 or the degree of remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. आपण just पाहिलं ते divisor of the polynomial. Okay, so this here, इथे बघा, what is the degree of this remainder is 1, and the degree of divisor is 2. Okay, next. Note that in the above example 3, the degree of the remainder 4p is less than the degree of the divisor 3p square. Similarly, in example 4, just we have seen it, the degree of remainder (2x minus 6) is less than the degree of divisor polynomial x square. Practice set 10.1. See this here. Divide, write the coefficient and the remainder. The first is 21m square is divided by 7m. Require the 20m square. Therefore, we will multiply here 7m by 3m. Then you will get 21m square, and that's why the remainder is 0 and the quotient is 3m. Next is second. For 40a cube is divided by minus 10a. It's very simple. .40a cube is divided by minus 10a. आपल्याला इथे किती पाहिजे 40a cube पाहिजे. It is multiplied with minus 4a square. Then you will get 40a cube. Again change the sign, plus to minus. The remainder is 0 and the quotient is minus 4a square. Example number 3. Minus 48p raised to 4 is divided by 9p square. Now this is important. Minus 48p raised to 4 पाहिजे आपल्याला. मग 9p square ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागणार? तर इथे बघा एक्सप्लेनेशन केलेलं आहे. Minus 9p square is multiplied by this bracket, that is equals to minus 48p raised to 4. मग ते आपल्याला शोधायचं. Therefore, this bracket is equals to minus 48p raised to 4 is divided by minus 9p square. We divide it, then you will get 16 by 3p square. म्हणजे आपल्याला minus 9p square ला जर आपण 16 by 3p square ने multiplied केले, then you will get 48p raised to 4 minus 48p raised to 4. And that's why we write here 16 upon 3p square into minus 9p square, then you will get 48 minus 48p raised to 4. The remainder is 0 and the quotient is 16 by 3p square. Next, 40m raised to 5 is divided by 30m cube. Again, simple example. आता इथे बघा 40m raised to 5 आहे. इथे किती 30m cube आहे. Now again 30m cube is multiplied by this empty bracket, that is equals to 40m raised to 5. And then to get this 40m raised to 5 ला आपण या 30m cube ने divide करणार 4 by 3, 10 चा division देणार, and here you will get m raised to 2. That is a 4 by 3 m square is multiplied with 30m raised to 3. Then you will get 40m raised to 5. The remainder is 0 and the quotient is 4 by 3 m square. Next example. 5x cube minus 3x square is divided by x square. Solution. Now here the first term we require here 5x cube, and that's why here we will multiply 5. To get the 5x cube, we will multiply this x square by 5x. Then you will get 5x cube. Change the sign. You will get here minus 3x square as a remainder. Again, to get minus 3x square, we will multiply here x square by minus 3. Therefore, minus 3 into x square, you will get minus 3x square. Again, change the sign. Plus minus to plus. The remainder is 0. Quotient is 5x minus 3. Remainder is 0. Next example. 8p cube minus 4p square is divided by 2p square. Solution. आपल्याला 8p cube पाहिजे, त्यासाठी या 2p square ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार 4p ने. That is a 4p square is a 2p square is multiplied with by the 4p, then you will get 8p cube. Change the sign, plus to minus. Again minus 4p square. Again to get minus 4p square, we will multiply to this 2p square by minus 2. Then you will get minus 4p square. Again change the sign, minus to plus. The remainder is 0 and the quotient is 4p minus 2. Next example. 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3 is divided by 2y square. Solution 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3 is divided by 2y square. See this here. 2y cube plus 4y square plus 2. Now see this here. First term is a 2y cube. To get the 2y cube, we will multiply to this 2y square by y. Then it will become 2y cube. Okay. And the others are 0. Okay. First, change the sign, plus to minus again. The remainder here is a 0. 4y square plus 3. Next, to get again 4y square, then multiply this 2y square by 2. Then you will get 4y square. And the remainder here is a 3. Remainder is 3 and the quotient is 5 plus 2. Okay. Next is 8th example. 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x is divided by 7x cube. The solution. 21x raised to 4 is minus 14x square plus 7x is divided by 7x cube. To get the 21x raised to 4 आपल्याला मिळवण्यासाठी या 7x cube ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार तर 3x ने. Therefore then you will get 21x raised to 4. Change the sign, plus to minus. Next is minus 14x square plus 7x. आता इथे बघा रिमाइंडरचं डिग्री किती आहे तर 2 आहे आणि डिवायझरचं किती तर 3 आहे. Therefore the remainder is a minus 14x square plus 7x and the quotient is 3x. Next example. 6x raised to 5 minus 4x square x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square is divided by 2x square. Solution is here. Now the first term is a 6x raised to 5. The 6x raised to 5. To get the 6x raised to 5, we will multiply this 2x square by 3x cube. Then you will get 6x raised to 5. Again the 0, their subtraction. The remaining terms are as it is. Again to get the minus 4x raised to 4, we will multiply to this 2x square by minus 2x square. Then you will get minus 4x raised to 4. You will get again 0. 8x cube plus 2x square as it is. Next is multiplied with 4x, then you will get 8x square. Okay, multiplied with this one, and then here you will get. Okay, to get again the 8x cube, we will multiply this 2x square by 4x, then you will get 8x cube. Okay. Then change the sign, plus to minus, then plus 8x cube minus 8x cube get cancelled, then you will get 2x square. Again to get the 2x square, multiply this 2x square by 1, then you will get 2x square, change the sign, plus to minus, the remainder is 0 and the quotient is a 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 1. You can see this here. Next example. 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 is divided by 5m cube. The solution. First is to get the 25m raised to 4. We will multiply this 5m cube by 5m, then you will get 25m raised to 4. Change the sign, plus to minus, here is a 0. Next, minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 as it is. Next is to get the minus 15m cube, we will multiply here 5m cube by minus 3, then you will get minus 15m cube, change the sign, minus 2 plus, and here the remainder is 10m plus 8 and the quotient is 5m minus 3. And in this way, we have completed the practice set 10.1. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.